Here we have what is typically referred to as an info box with an icon, a heading, and some text below it. Within the builder, we get an element that is very similar to this with everything just put together out of the box. It works. It's called the icon box. Click on the add elements and let's bring in the icon box over here. And it's going to work a little bit different than the one I've got here, but essentially everything is there plus a button for a call to action. You have the icon here, and to select it, simply click on the icon and you have control over the icon with all the settings like the normal icon element works. Your color over here and then link options as well. What is important is the placement of this icon. This option aligns it currently to the left, or you can drop it all the way to the right. And then you have also the spacing in terms of a vertical alignment. Next to that is your text, and this is again a standard text element. And then finally you have the button, and you have again all the styling options over the button. Everything else about the icon box remains the same. You have your padding, you have your margins, duplicate and delete, and you just have all these elements, your icon, your text, and your button easily combined into one. The one thing that you can do here is to click on the button to remove it if you just want the icon with text.